for today's video. So mag-harvest tayo we're going to harvest our tomato because yesterday we have a strong rain. So I don't know what happened here. I don't know if animals are the one that caused this one. Look, if you see, we have 2 pieces of ripe tomato here. Ayan. I don't know if this because of animals or it's because of a strong wind. I think this is not because of animals. See? So we can't use that anymore. Siguro nahulog yun, guys. Nabali na yung sanga. Lakas kasi yung hangin kahapon. Sayang. Pero piraso pa naman yung bunga. Ayusin yun natin, baka ano pa siya, makasurvive pa siya. Ayan. Yan, diba? Second harvest natin yan, guys. Oh. Ganto kadami yung nakuha natin ulit. Muna natin dyan. Ayan, oh, makikita nyo malakas yung hangin. Oh, diba? So, yan yung rason kung bakit nagkandahulog yung mga patatas. Ay, mga patatas. Yung mga, yung ating kamatis. So, mag-harvest ako ng daw ng sili, guys, kasi magugulay tayo ngayon ng ating tinola. Luto tayo ng tinola. So, ayan, ang dami niya kasi kahon. Ayan, bawasan natin ito kasi bell pepper ito eh. Para magsama siya. Ayan, diba? Dami na nating gulay. Diba yung mga gugulayin natin yung pang tinola, dito na natin nakukuha sa ating paligid. Ang lavish natin. Clips naman kinukuha ko, ba't hindi ko na sinasama yung ano niya, yung ugat kasi baka mamatay siya. Isa pa lang nito eh. Kasi sa province, diba, ang kinukuha natin nito is ugat. Sinasama natin yung ugat. Kaya yung mga kapitbahay na nanghihingi ng tanglad sa province, sinasama yung ugat pero hindi inaayos magkuha. Kaya ang nangyayari, parang sinabunutan yung tanglad. Manghingi na nga lang, hindi pa kinukuha ang maayos, diba? Yung hirap may kapitbahay, katapos ganun. So, ayan na. Hit na tayo at mainit na. See what I got from my garden. Plenty of vegetables. I will make chicken tinola for this morning. I harvested this, what we call that? This pepper leaves. Chili leaves, I mean.
Can I also have a chipped beef and cheese sandwich with one of these ones?
If you want to make, you can make.
No, I mean with the soup.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ayan. So actually, this sugar beets or red beets that we call in Philippines, ayan. Our landlord came here, the mom of our landlord came here, and then she gave us this 3 packs of red beets. So what we're going to do later is that we're gonna make tomato Russian salad with beets. So this is what I'm going to use. But you know what? Russian salad has beans on it.
Has what?
It has a beans.
Beans?
Yeah.
What kind of beans?
Green beans. She also gave us the cucumber.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good.
What's that?
Sayote.
Oh.
Daig mo pang isang kisap mata.
A few moments later.
This is our banana crunch. Yan, yung first batch natin. Samahan na din natin ng ating fish balls. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ni husband to kasi diba isda to siya. Pero nagustuhan niya yung, since nagustuhan niya yung bagoong, baka magugustuhan din niya to. Banana crunch. Ayan.